Oppo has released the Reno 9 series and they have a red color version with the special detail of the year of rabbit. The phone has a festival red gold color scheme and decoration related to the year of rabbit. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Reno 9 5G year of rabbit red edition phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is a red box for the Oppo Reno 9 5G, which is a special version released this year for the rabbit. At the top of the box you will see a logo of the rabbit, and let's remove the plastic covering the box and lift up the lid of the box. Inside the cardboard box we have a transparent case, a user manual and a SIM ejector tool. This is a Oppo Reno 9 5G phone rabbit edition. And last we also have a 67-watt power adapter and a data cable included in the box. Let's remove the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. The Oppo Reno 9 year of rabbit red version has a smooth and skin-friendly appearance thanks to the exclusive velvet glass technology. This technology also helps to reduce the fingerprint and sweat stain during daily use. The Oppo Reno 9 year of the rabbit red version also features a nano-level streamer color technology on its back panel. This technology enhances the brightness and the purity of the red color. When looking at the back panel up close, the matte red velvet has a flown luster and looks elegant and harmonious. The Oppo Reno 9 year of the rabbit red version has a rabbit logo printed on the lower right corner of the rear camera module. This logo has a simple shape that emphasizes the cuteness and agility of the rabbit. The middle frame area on the top of the Oppo Reno 9 year of rabbit red version has a textured decoration similar to the star sky roof process found on the Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus. This design detail enhances the overall look of the phone. The side of the red decorative seats hides an infrared sensor and microphone opening. The Oppo Reno 9 year of rabbit red version has the same specification as the regular version with a thickness of 7.19 mm and a weight of 174 grams, making it the thinnest Reno phone ever. The curved design at the edge of the phone make it comfortable to hold in the palm of your hand. The Oppo Reno 9 year of rabbit red version has a 6.7 inch screen and the front camera located in the center of the screen using the hole punch design. Resolution is Full HD Plus and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. The frame of the phone has a narrow sides, but the bottom side is slightly wider. This design creates an almost uniform width around the screen, providing user with a more immersive viewing experience. If we talk about the remaining detailed specs, the Oppo Reno 9 red version has a same SIM software and display specification as Oppo Reno 9 regular version. It is powered by Snapdragon 778G 5G processor with 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and the UFS 2.2 and UFS 3.1 storage option. It depends on storage size. The Oppo Reno 9 Red Edition has the same dual rear camera setup as the Oppo Reno 9 Pro model. The camera setup includes 64 megapixel primary sensor with f1.7 aperture and 80-degree field of view along with the 2 megapixel sensor with f2.4 lens. The phone also has a 32 megapixel selfie camera located at the front. The Oppo Reno 9 Red Edition equipped with the 4500 mAh battery supports 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. The phone has the same weight and dimension as the Oppo Reno 9 Pro. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.